Alright guys, yeah, that's recording. Okay, straight off there are 3 to get here, so we're going to go for this one, because there's just one in this secluded area. Right, I'm going to try and speed things up. Thank God for charge boots, eh? Right, so basically you're going to have to keep going up here and... Can I skip? I should be able to. Right, yeah. Alright then, straight off the bat. Your first platinum bolt out of the 3 ones on this planet. And that one on the last level was really, really hard. It took me forever to find it. Right, so I'm going to speed up out of here. Because I've got quite a way to go to get the final one. The next one's right out of here, so... Right. Seems like ages ago since I filmed here. Right. The next one is straight over here actually. I think I remember mentioning something about it, because at this point it was bugging me that I kept mentioning it. This one is quite hidden as well. Only the odd glitcher or explorer would find this one quite easily. I mean, prove me wrong, but that's my opinion. The last one anyone can get. It's so easy to find. But I'm kind-hearted, so I'm going to show you. Right, it's straight up here. Keep going. Right, basically, put quite simply, this dynamo here, it's going to open up a door, and that's not fair. So yeah, that's number 3 guys. Right, I'll join you back on the next part.